but there is no entry there. So now, as of 2020, 100 years after building this station, the ADA elevator, new entrance on Avenue A and 14th Street. It really, I'm used to government agencies taking forever to get something done, and at that, maybe they stop halfway. No, not this station. It took them like 9 months, a little more than that, to complete the eastern approach. Your arrow going down. What's good here? Even this new station has the mosaics from 1920, even though it was done in 20. Smart.